Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or Google Chrome on Realme Pad Mini. And let's start with Google Play Store. So here, if we try to install any app or game, for example Brawl Stars, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. If we try to reach any new website or refresh already opened ones, we'll get this error instead. And to fix both of them, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find System, enter date and time, and enable to use network provided time. If you go back to your browser, you can reload the page or try to reach new one and it should work fine. And the same as with Google Play Store, we can click install and the download begins almost instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.